Hey, Sean Porter here with GhostStop, and I want to give you a little demo of the EVP mic. This is something that was developed by Bill Chappell a long time ago as a way to experiment with what EMF sounds like. What you do is you simply just plug this into a recorder and be able to listen and record EMF signatures. So the best way I figure to demonstrate this is just go around the office and show you some of the electronics we have around and what they sound like. One thing that's kind of cool that you'll notice is that everything sounds different. Everything has its own voice. Even the 3D printers that are all the same model, you would think they'd sound the same. They maybe have their own accent. The best way to use this on investigations, however, is just set it down in an area where you've already tested the baseline, like you know what it should sound like, and listen in for anything that's out of the ordinary. So let's go ahead and take a tour of the shop and listen in on the voice of HQ. You know, I realized while doing this that this is a great way to baseline for EMF as well. So before every investigation, walk around the location, listen in for any hot spots for a unique listen in to the voice of the location beyond blinking lights. For more information about this and other ghost hunting equipment, as always, head over to www.ghoststop.com.